Hello, this is Mike Romero from BMW of Gainesville, and today I want to show you how to use our 8-speed M Sport transmission here in our beautiful 2020 BMW X4M. If you see right here, here is the beautiful automatic transmission with the beautiful M Sport insignia on it as well. And to put it into drive, all you're going to do is press the brake like any other car, and you're going to move it to the right. Now the vehicle is going to be in drive. To put it in neutral, you simply do the opposite. You push it to the left. And now it's in neutral. Now, to put it in reverse, you're going to push it to the left, and then push it forward. And as you can see from our screen, the backup camera is up, and the R is highlighted now on the transmission, so the car is now in reverse. Now, if I want to put the car into park, bring it back towards the middle, and I can press the P right here to put it into park. And then on top of the transmission, you have the ability to adjust how aggressive it's going to switch between gears. And like I said, it does have 8 speeds. So you have 8 different gears to choose from whenever you're driving. And while you're driving, you can use the paddle shifters on the steering wheel to change the gear. Or you can simply just pull it towards you and away from you to change the gears as well while you're driving. And that's it. We really hope you enjoyed this vehicle, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.